What are you doing? You want Chick-fil-A? You want that?
I want Chick-fil-A.
Okay. You gonna eat that too? Yeah? Are you sure?
You've already...
You didn't put milk in it yet.
Oh.
Alright.
Save it. Save it, sir. Just kidding. If you're hungry, go ahead. Eat.
Make your choice. Oh. Oh, he's gonna close it. He want Chick-fil-A. Alright. Alright, dude. You can eat it too if you want. Hey, Noah. You changed your mind? Eating that cereal now? Oh. Gal, you want to tell them what we're doing today?
We're going to see some waterfalls and then go to a toy store.
Oh, yeah?
With 2 stories.
2 stories.
Yeah.
Cool. All right. Let's go. It's really early. Well, for you guys.
No.
It's not?
No.
I'm ready to go.
Literally would be at school right now.
We're not mommy. All right, let's go find some waterfalls. Let's go find some waterfalls. Oh, there's a map right there. Dupont State Recreational Forest information. You are here. We're gonna do this trail, High Falls, and back. What?
Look at all those rocks.
Yeah, look, don't climb those rocks.
Those rocks.
Gal,
What?
I'm not gonna carry you all the way, you know that, right?
I know.
Oh man. Okay.
Are you crying?
No? I'm just
Abby's
recording
a
these guys.
baby.
She's the baby. This dude is saying a prayer before he goes bum, bum, up here. What's up? What? Hey, why are you recording me, recording me?
So there can be 2 screens on the screen that the person is watching.
Yeah.
So there could be my point of view.
That was rough, Gal.
My shooting.
I don't think this GoPro does any justice. That's actually really nice looking. Got 1, 2, 3 waterfalls. It's like it's cascading. That's so cool. This is gonna take us to the base of that second waterfall. Okay. Hopefully we can catch some cool pictures, right, Gal? She's not feeling so good. Let's go this side. Why does it smell like poop?
Smell like dog pee.
Smell like poop.
Dog pee.
Is it the trees that's smelling like that, like, you know? Is that your parkour moves?
Don't step over there. You stepped over there. What you looking at? I'm looking at you.
Did you guys know that one of the scenes from The Last of the Mohegans was filmed on one of these waterfalls? I don't know which one.
What's that?
It's a movie. Yeah, there's one that was filmed there. Was it Chimney Rock?
Oh, yeah, Chimney Rock.
And then there's a scene that was filmed here too, I think. I read it on the internet somewhere. Yeah. Maybe they'll open up and we get a better view. Now that right there is nice. So we took a detour and we want to go over this bridge right here that's on top of that waterfall. Oh, cool, man. This thing's got to be pretty old. I wonder when was it built. I think we can drive on this road. I think so, yeah. We got all kinds of dirt roads leading from place to place. Do not mark on bridge. Yes, do not mark on the bridge, guys. See that? Yeah, Luke. If I was kayaking this and I come right here, I would be like, nope.
How would you get up?
Abandon ship. It's not too deep. Wait, I'm recording. Look, look. Maybe later.
What?
Look, we're almost there.
Yay!
We're almost back to where our car's at. It's not bad.
Hey, no.
So why does he leave?
He leaves because he's got his own friend here. The car.
Oh. Hey, look. Hey, look. We made it back to the parking lot.
Right.
That wasn't too bad.
But he's got his own friend here that he has to.
That was only 3.15 miles. 2 hours. Not bad. Sure.
Okay. But like, the thing is, Timothy's still my friend.
Yeah?
Right? We got it. We got to the car. We made it. I've never been so happy to see my car. Luke, are you happy? Yeah. Happy we made it? Yeah, my legs are dead. Yes. They're numb. Yes. Okay, they're not. They just hurt. Hey, Abigail. You happy to be in the car again? What? You happy to be inside the car again? Nope. Okay. I'm driving. What you looking at? You know, if you have ADD, then this is gonna.
Are you guys chowing down on your sandwiches now?
Yes.
I
But
got
if
one
you
too.
have ADD, you're gonna have a sandwich like this, and not like this.
Hmm.
Hey, yo, bro,
Yeah, I don't know if we can drive our cars on these roads, these gravel roads.
I can jump this pond. Okay. So, words of a very wise man in my planner. This man states, or woman states, to be yourself in a world that is trying to change you is the greatest accomplishment. And those were words spoken by a very wise person. And they were in my planner, and I don't know who said it.
Why did you remember it?
Because it meant something to me. It was just very important, and
Is that something you want to strive to do?
Well, I can't strive to do that because I'm already doing it.
Oh. Okay. Excuse me.
What's this toy store called again?
It's called O.P. Taylor's.
Okie Taylor's?
No, O.P. Taylor's.
O.P. Taylor's. Alright. Heading to the toy store. Yay! Everybody gets what? 20 bucks? Do I get 20 bucks too? Okay. Still, man. There might be toys that I want.
You can get 20 bucks.
Okay. It's a beautiful day, guys. We're definitely not here for the parade. They got all the streets blocked off because they're having the parade in about an hour. Yeah, we're just here for the toy store. Supposedly there's a toy store. What? Okay, you ready to get on my back? Okay, let's go.
Let's go.
All right. Oh man. So we got parking all the way at the end over here because we ain't gonna pay for no parking. All right. Guys, man, this is public parking on the sidewalk here. Dude, why are you gonna pay $3 when you can just walk? So this is the town of Brevard. Like a lot of these shops are closed, guys.
Why?
Because of the parade. Yeah. I don't know if that. You better have your fingers crossed, guys. Plaza, Mexican restaurant. Oh hey. Hopefully toy store is open. P. Taylor's. Huh? Oh, gotta put my mask on? Ah. Cool.
That's what we're going to do, yeah.
What'd you get?
I got teapot,
Mm-hmm.
and then I got a Christmas dinner.
Oh yeah? What'd you get, Luke? What is that? Nido. Dojis. What is these? Squishies? And what else?
I got
Pop it spinners.
And then
Mega Pop Pizza. Oh my goodness. Noah, what'd you get?
we got Rubik's Cube.
Oh yeah? Well, I guess we're not staying for the parade. The traffic's gonna be pretty crazy when we leave. Yeah, we gotta get out of here. Of course, we can go in here. Alright, Moose Tracks. We made it!